you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute experience. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be doing a mini haul. This is a collective haul, and I have not been able to film too many videos in the past couple of weeks using makeup products because of my eyebrows. I got my eyebrows touched up. I have my eyebrows microbladed. I have the ombre powder brows. I just filmed a 1-year retouch update video for you guys, so if you have not seen that, I'll be sure to leave that in the iCard above so you can check that out. But for that reason, I decided to show you guys what I've purchased in the last 30 days, because just because I've not been doing makeup, honey, does not mean there has not been any makeup purchased, okay? So I've got a collective. I've got makeup, I've got some fragrances, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I have been on this powder kick, and one of the powders that I've purchased over the last 30 days is this Chanel powder. This is the Chanel Powder Universal Libre. This is a loose setting powder. I have had my eye on this powder for quite some time, and I decided to go ahead and pick it up. This is what the actual packaging looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. This powder claims to deliver a sheer, natural looking finish for a radiant complexion. Les Beige's Healthy Glow Sheer Powder creates a luminous look reminiscent of a day spent in the great outdoors. Available as both loose and pressed powder, so you can get the pressed powder version of this as well. It mattifies the skin and evens the appearance of the complexion. So this is a really nice powder. I am super glad to have this. I am going to be filming with this powder and share my thoughts of this powder with you guys. I picked this powder up in the shade 70, and it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous match for my complexion, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this powder out. This next powder is from Givenchy, and this is what the powder packaging looks like. I have recently recorded using this powder, so I have used this powder before. It's a gorgeous powder. I'll leave a link of that video in the iCard above as well, but this is a super interesting powder to me. This is what the packaging looks like, and there are 4 different shades of powder in this particular package. Mixing these powders together gives me the perfect color for my particular complexion. So it's a really nice powder, very finely milled. And in regards to this powder, each loose setting powder shade combines 4 unique colors, 2 for correction and 2 for radiance. This powder is referred to as the magic dust powder, and it is supposed to reduce the appearance of pores and minimize texture. The result is a more even complexion with a weightless and transparent finish. And that is very, very true. Like I said, I have used this powder before. It's a very nice powder. You can pick this up at Sephora, or you can pick it up on the Givenchy website. But yeah, this is another powder that I have tried already and will be trying again, so you guys will be seeing this in some other upcoming videos. But I don't know why I've been on this powder kick here lately. You know, it's just one of those things. It seems like I'm either drawn to concealers or I'm drawn to powders. So it just seems like there are just periods of time when I seem to be drawn towards one particular type of makeup product versus the other. But as of today, it seems to be powders and such. So yeah, I picked this up. Super glad to have it. This next item is from Hourglass, you guys, and I was on the fence about this. I saw this when it was first released, and I just kind of held back, and then in my sleep, it seems like I just went online, and next thing I know, it arrived at my door. This is from Hourglass, and this is their Ambient Lighting Edit Unlock Face Palette. So even though this is showing that it's in the butterfly packaging, this is actually the tiger version of this palette. And what's super unique about this is that you can order the particular shades that you like. So for example, there are 3 versions of this limited edition face palette. You have the tiger, you have the elephant, and then you have the butterfly. The tiger version of this palette is the deeper shades. It's the deepest of shades that's offered in this particular palette. So I purchased the tiger palette, or the colors that are inside of the tiger palette. This is what they look like, but I chose to go with the butterfly packaging. I know that may sound a bit different, but you know what? I like butterflies, and I like this particular color scheme, or I felt that this particular color scheme would work best for my complexion. So that's what I did. I chose the tiger palette itself, but I wanted it in the packaging of the butterfly. But this is really, really pretty. And it's super unique that they give you the option to choose your packaging. I think that that's really unique, right? I've never known of any brand to do that. But this is a limited edition palette featuring photoluminescent technology and exclusive packaging by artist Katie Scott. This palette features 3 ambient lighting shades to create your perfect flush and a radiant lit from within glow. There you have it. It's really unique. The colors are gorgeous. And, you know, again, the fact that you can choose, you know, which packaging you want makes this even more interesting. This is from Hourglass, and I cannot wait to use this. I also did some shopping at Dose of Colors, you guys. I really like Dose of Colors. I love their lip products. You guys have heard me rave about their lip products before. I also like their eyeshadows. So when I saw that Makeup Shayla had a collaboration with Dose of Colors, I had to pick it up. I really do like Makeup Shayla, and I want to support in any way that I possibly can. So this was a purchase that made sense to me. I didn't pick up everything in the collection because this collection came with the eyeshadow palette, the lip product, and also a blush and highlighter. I didn't pick up the blush and highlighter. I did pick up the eyeshadow palette and the lip products, but this is the card. Look at that. Look at her. She looks so gorgeous on this card. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It is called Wifey, and it is super gorgeous. It has these gorgeous warm tones in there. This is going to make for a really natural eye look, which I love. You've also got some shimmers here just to amp it up a little bit if you'd like to do that. And I love the fact that it's got a black in here. I love popping a little bit of black on that outer V just to smoke it out just a little bit, make it a little bit more decadent. So this is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. This is the Wifey palette, and this is from Dose of Color. This is the Shayla and Dose of Color collaboration. Beautiful, beautiful. It says here on the Dose of Colors website that this is a limited edition. This is the Wifey eyeshadow palette, and it features a mix of 8 shades in 4 matte and 4 shimmer finishes. The color's story was inspired by the wonder lived during Shayla's wedding weekend. I follow Shayla on Instagram, and she did post some of her wedding pictures there, and they were gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Some more information here on the Dose of Color website says that Shayla looked radiant on her special day. She did indeed. And her one wish was to be able to have everyone recreate the magic of her eye looks with this palette. Its universal hues are perfect for any occasion, from soft glam to natural looks to a dramatic nighttime smoky eye effect. This versatile palette is sure to transport you to your own special moment in time. This is On the Beach. This is Cabo, which is a nude champagne. And then you've got Vows, V-O-W-S, which is a pink champagne. Those are the shimmer colors. So for the matte shades, you've got this. This is Bouquet, and this is a peach beige. You've got Dress Code, which is a warm brown. You've got Cocktail Hour, which is a dark brown, and you also have Seating Chart, which is the black. I love these names. I don't think I talked about this one. What is that one? Did I miss that? Yes, I did. This shade is called Destination Wedding, and it's a golden bronze shimmer. So this is a really, really pretty palette. And for the lip trio, this is the Icing on the Cake lip trio from the Shayla and Dose of Colors collaboration. Look at this. The packaging is awesome here. I love the descriptions that they have on these makeup products. It just really pulls you in. So you get the lip pencil, you get the liquid lipstick, and then you also get a lip gloss. This may be the first lip pencil that I have from Dose of Colors, I think. I've got plenty of lipsticks or lip products, liquid lipsticks, the mousse, the gloss. I've got plenty of those, but I think this is my first lip pencil, and this is extremely creamy. This is so creamy, you guys. Super creamy. Smudges out really, really nicely, so I cannot wait to get this on my lips and to see how this trio looks. So on the Dose of Colors website, when it's talking about this lip trio, it says the possibilities are endless with this lip set. The limited edition Shayla and Dose of Colors collaboration Icing on the Cake lip trio features 3 full-size lip products inspired by Shayla's signature nude lip combo, and we added a little sparkle to take you from day to night effortlessly. So this lip combo comes with glass slippers. So I take it that that is this right here. And it describes this as a clear base with gold reflex. It's a clear lip gloss packaged with gold reflex to give your lips glass-like shine. This lip liner is called She's Ready. It's described as a deep brown. And it's a deep brown lip liner to line and define the lip shape. And the liquid matte lipstick here is called Final Touch. And it's described as a pink brown. It's a pink brown liquid matte lipstick to fill in the center of the lips. I cannot wait to use the eyeshadow palette and this lip trio. I also picked up a couple of fragrances. One of them that I picked up is from Kayali. This is a fragrance from Haute, and this is the first of the Haute fragrances that I have purchased. This one is called Love Fest Burning Cherry. You guys have probably seen this all over YouTube, but I wanted to pick this up. When Tom Ford's Lost Cherry first came out, I was going to pick that up as well, but I changed my mind. I did go in store and I tried it first, right? And it was okay, but it wasn't okay enough for me to spend the money that they were asking for it. I know the Tom Ford fragrances are on the pricey side. I get that. I was not ready to drop that type of money for that particular fragrance at that time. So I'm glad that this came out, because it has been said that this is similar to, I wouldn't say that it's a direct dupe, all right, because there are some differences, but it's similar to Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. This fragrance is said to be part of the warm and spicy fragrance family. The scent type is warm, sweet, and gourmand. And the fragrance description on the Sephora website states, celebrate life with this luscious, sweet gourmand fragrance and awaken the free spirit within you. So yeah, so it does smell really good. I think I want to try the vanilla as well. I heard that the Kayali vanilla is really nice. But yeah, this is a really nice fragrance. I like it. I think that I will be layering other fragrances on top of it, if that makes sense. But because I'm trying to get into more layering of my fragrances, but this does smell really, really wonderful. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up. And I also picked up this right here. I have had my eye on this for a while. There are several discount fragrant websites that I've gone to, you know, on and off. I've been looking at it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm not gonna get it. But then I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. This is the Moschino Toy 2 Eau de Parfum. I love the notes of this fragrance, and I finally went ahead and said, you know what, you need this in your fragrance collection. And the product detail information for this fragrance says, Toy 2, the new women's fragrance by Moschino. The iconic Moschino teddy bear is here. I love the packaging of this fragrance. It's so cute. The sparkling top notes of mandarin orange and Granny Smith apples combined with delicate floral notes enhanced by amber wood and sandalwood add radiance and softness to the new Toy 2 scent. This smells so good, you guys. And I would say if you're interested in picking up this fragrance, do not pay full price for it. Go to one of the fragrance discount websites and you can find it at a much better price there. I purchased from Fragrance X, but it's a wonderful fragrance and I think that you'd be happy with it. I know I'm happy with it. Some may think of this as being more of a summer fragrance, but I am going to be wearing this during the fall. This next item, you guys, is one that I picked up after watching another content creator here on YouTube. Her name is Cassandra Jones, and I watch her because I like her haul videos. And one of the items that she picked up, or one of the items that she was talking about in one of her videos, is from Naturium, and this is their Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. I had never heard of this brand before, but I will tell you guys, I have used this twice already, and I can definitely tell a difference in my skin. My skin is dry. So on my face, my skin is more normal to dry. My body, it's very dry. So I wanted to try this out, and so far, you guys, I've been really pleased. So normally after I take my shower, my feet and my shin area, they're really dry. I mean, to the point where I have to immediately look for something super hydrating to place on my feet and my shin area. Otherwise they become itchy and it's just not good. But after using this body wash, I can tell you that once I got out of the shower, I didn't have that dry, cracking, itchy type of situation going on my feet or my shins. On the Naturium website, it says our sensorial hydrating body wash transforms from a luscious oil to a gentle lather, cleansing without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Formulated with 50% glycerin, a blend of linoleic rich oils, and plant-derived squalane, this transformative body cleanser is rich in humectants that hydrate and nourish the skin. It's really, really good, you guys. This is good. I really, really like this. And lastly, you guys, I want to show you my Instagram influenced purchase. Instagram is starting to get me in trouble because I tell you, I see so many cute things on Instagram that I want to try out. There's clothing, there's accessories, there's a lot of different things that I see on Instagram, and I'm like, that's just gorgeous, and I want it. But you know, I reined myself in. You know, I've been trying to do a little bit better, but I could not pass on these. These are earrings from Handmade by Tarja. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'll be sure to leave a little picture here so that you'll be able to see that. But this is what these earrings look like. They were packaged so cute, right? This is really, really cute. These are super unique. I want to try these on real quickly for you guys. This is one of the sets of earrings that I purchased. This is so unique, so unique. It's very light. It's not heavy at all on the ears. And let me try this on and show you guys what it looks like. So look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous. They're very light, super lightweight. I am going to an all black event that's coming up next month, and I'm going to be wearing these earrings. They are so gorgeous. I love them, really love it. Instagram made me buy these. And I also picked up some gold ones here. These are super light also. They look like they would weigh a ton, but they don't. They are really, really light. One of the things I liked about the offerings coming from Handmade by Tarja, or the fact that she offered regular post style earrings as well as clip-ons. So this is what these look like. Is that not gorgeous? So these are definite statement type earrings, and they're just beautiful. I love them. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this haul. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.